production of rack uprights begins from a hydraulic decoiler and leveling integrated unit. It automatically uncoils and straightens the steel strip, preparing a flat and stable surface for the next process. After leveling, the material enters the punching station. Here, a high-speed hydraulic press accurately punches the required holes according to the racking design. Each hole position is precisely aligned to guarantee easy assembly in the final storage system. The punch strip then passes through a pit buffer section. This part compensates the speed difference between punching and forming, ensuring smooth and continuous production. Next comes the guiding system, which keeps the steel strip centered before it enters the roll forming machine. Accurate guiding ensures the finished upright has consistent symmetry and perfect edge alignment. The main forming machine adopts a heavy cast iron frame for superior rigidity and long service life. It is driven by a gearbox transmission system, which provides stable torque and higher forming accuracy compared with traditional chain drives. Each roller station is precisely machined and heat-treated to ensure perfect shaping of the upright profile. This production line is equipped with an automatic size adjustment function. Operators can quickly change product specifications without replacing rollers, saving setup time and improving production efficiency. After forming, the upright is cut to length by a hydraulic tracking shear. The cutting head moves synchronously with the running profile, achieving accurate, burr-free cuts without stopping the line. This design greatly enhances production speed and minimizes material waste. The entire line is controlled by a PLC system with a touchscreen interface. All parameters such as punching length, hole distance, and cutting quantity can be set directly on the control panel. Real-time monitoring ensures stable operation and consistent product quality. The finished rack uprights feature smooth surfaces, uniform holes, and precise dimensions. They can be directly used for assembling light-duty, medium-duty, and heavy-duty warehouse racking systems. This rack upright roll forming production line combines automation, precision, and reliability. It provides an efficient solution for high-volume racking manufacturers seeking both quality and productivity. Goal on machinery, forming ahead, building beyond.